can add the clickable link to your TikTok bio. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add any of the clickable link that you want to add in your TikTok bio. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your TikTok application and here you have to click onto your profile. Now from here you have to go in the edit profile. So once you are in, as you can see that here is the option of the bio. Now here you just have to paste the link that you want to add and save the changes. Now as you can see that this link is basically not clickable, so whenever anyone click this link they will not able to open the main link. So for that you have to go in this business information on the website and here you have to add your website or the link that you want to add into your TikTok. So from there you just have to add your business account. For that you have to register it, go in the get started and here you have to agree the terms of service and register your account. Now you have to just add all of your basic information like your business name, country, address, province and all of that, and you just have to register your business account and you are able to add any of the link that you want to add to your TikTok bio. So from there anyone can access the link that you have added into your bio. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.